This is after 26 days of assembling precast pre-stress concrete building components for a low-cost housing. This unit, 42 square meter, is valued only at 700,000. This is very much lower than conventional price, since these are all 90%, I mean, is prefabricated. This building is prefabricated and pre-stressed concrete. So thank you for viewing, guys. This is, I would say, only 26 days from the start of the project. Thank you for viewing. This is the update of construction of precast pre-stress low-cost housing unit. All that is installed are pre-stress. Today is June 9, 2023. It's already 40% after 1 week construction cost of precast homes and pre-stressed concrete component. Thank you guys for viewing. Installation of partition walls. This is a precast pre-stressed walls. 0.50 ang width, 2 inches ang thickness. So these are pre-stressed precast walls that will be connected at the bottoms of the beams. There are connecting bars for connection of pre-stressed walls. Okay, pre-stressed walls are being installed already for the partition walls, interior and exterior walls. Okay guys, thank you. Trellis. Installation of precast trellis. Okay, thank you. Launching of pre-stressed beams. Launching of pre-stressed beams. As you can see, using electric hoist. Swing, ano ba? Mana? Ha? Sino? Pare-prito. Ve. Installation of roof beam. A pre-stressed precast roof beam to be installed at a low-cost housing project of GA Ganados building blocks of Binaug, Dipolog City. Now, it is now launching or installing of roof beam. After installing roof beam, then pre-stressed precast walls will be installed, and also this trellis. Thank you for viewing. And now installation of another beam, roof beam at the Locust housing project of GA Ganados building blocks at Minaog, Sumbuanga, Dipolog City. Installation of another roof beam, a precast roof beam installed from a precast columns. So thank you guys for viewing. Okay, launching of beams using